Hey Stellar friends, welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. My name is Amber and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. So grab your guitar and let's get into the lesson. So Three Little Birds is an awesome beginner song because we're only going to need 3 chords. Just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and that we are not going to be needing a capo for this lesson. So the 3 chords that we're going to be needing are an A major, which we strum from the A string down. We're going to be needing a D major, which we're going to be strumming from the D string down. And the last chord we're going to need is an E major. And we're going to strum all the strings for this one. Now a quick little tip here, when changing from the A to the D chord, we have something called an anchor finger, and this is going to be our 3rd finger. When we change from an A to a D, we can slide our ring finger into the 3rd fret and form our D chord. And when we move back to the A, we can slide it back into the 2nd fret and form our A major chord. So take a minute to practice changing back and forth between those 3 chords. This is really going to help you in learning to play this song smoothly and with nice, clean chord changes. So I'm going to be showing you 3 different strumming patterns that we can use in the song, starting with the simplest, which is going to be 4 down strums on the chords that you see up on the screen. So those chords are coming from the chorus, and we're going to be starting on an A chord, and we're going to be doing 4 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have A again for another 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're then going to switch to the D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we add in some singing to give us context, it's going to sound like this. Starting on that A, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about a thing. Change to the D, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Back to A. Singing don't worry about a thing. Change to D. It's gonna be an A again. So another strumming pattern that works really well in the song and really sounds awesome is the strumming pattern I'm going to teach you next, which is going to be based on a reggae rhythm. So the pattern is going to sound like this: bass, down, up, mute, down. Bass, down, up, mute, down. So you're going to be playing a bass string followed by a down, up. You're then going to use the palm to mute the string followed by a down. So let's go through each chord and see how this is going to work. When we're starting on the D chord, we're going to be playing the D string or the 4th string. That's going to be our bass string. We're then going to do a down, up. We're going to mute, followed by a down. And we count it. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Start off really slowly. This is definitely something that you need to get used to doing before trying to speed it up. When we move on to the A chord, our bass string is going to be the A string or the 5th string, and we're going to play bass, down, up, mute, down, bass, down, up, mute, down. And then when we move to the E, our bass string is going to be the 6th string or our E string. Bass, down, up, mute, down. Bass, down, up, mute, down. So I've got the chords up on the screen that are going to be coming from the verse of the song. So let's play through the verse using that new strumming pattern, And just a note here, each chord you see up on the screen is going to get 2 rounds of the bass, down, up, mute, down. So starting on the A chord, here we go. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, and bass, down, up, mute, down, repeats. To the E, back to A, and to the D. Let's do that one more time from the A. Repeats. To the E. Bass. Down, up, mute, down, A. And to the D. So let's take it one step further and add some singing for context. Starting on that A, here we go. A 1, 2, a 1, 2. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perch on my doorstep, songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Now, if you are having a great time with me here today in this lesson, please could I ask you to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me out and it allows me to continue making lessons just like this one for you to learn from every single week. I've also got some awesome free content linked below this video, so go check that out at the end of the lesson. And if you are looking for mentorship or some help on your guitar journey, I have a great guitar course, the Stellar Academy, which is my step-by-step guitar program. Everything is linked below this video, so go and check it out, and I really hope to welcome you into the program so that I can help you become a stellar guitarist. Now, the final strumming pattern I'm going to be teaching you today is more of a pop sounding strumming pattern, and it has a much more of a relaxed feel. So it sounds like this: down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. One more time. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. And if I count that out for you, 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4 and a. 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4 and a. So let's practice that on the chords that we are playing in the verse of the song. We're going to be starting on the A, and it's going to sound like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. And we're going to move across to the E chord. Back to the A. And to the D. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. So let's put that together, and we're going to go a little bit faster, starting on the A. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, and A. Smile with the E. 3 little A's perched on my D chords, singing sweet A's of melodies E and true, saying D, this is my message to A, A, A. And the last thing that we're going to learn today is that fun little intro melody that we hear in the very beginning of the song. So I've zoomed in here so you can get a nice up close look at what needs to be done. So it goes something like this. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is get your A chord ready, and we're going to strum twice on the A chord, followed up by that second finger, which is already planted down on the G string. And you're going to play that once. We're going to lift up our ring finger off of the B string so that we can have an open string. And then you're going to go back to that second finger, which is down on the G. So in total, we have. So we have A, G string, open B string, G string again. Next up, we have an open E. We're then going to put our ring finger back down onto the B string. We're then going to take it away. So we have E, second fret, open, and then to the G again, where our second finger is going to be remaining. And this intro riff is going to be played 4 times at the start of the song. So let's practice playing it 4 times in a row now. A 1, 2, 3, 4. So all that is left to do now is to join me for a playthrough. Coming up next, I'm going to be using the pop pattern in the play along, but you are more than welcome to use the 4-down strums or the reggae strumming pattern that we learned today. So grab your guitar and let's have some fun. Let's take it from the top. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. There you have it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel, and to switch on that notifications button so that you never miss a lesson that I release every single Sunday. I hope that I see you in the next lesson. Have a really wonderful day. Bye, everyone.